What's going on, people? It is Han
and Shuks. We are cutting Han's hair today.
What?
We're cutting your hair today.
Nope.
You've been walking around looking like... Look, can you even see his face? No.
Do you need to see my face?
Yes. I can't even... You don't even know who it is. You don't even know if it's Han or...
You're not cutting my hair.
I'm cutting your hair.
Nope.
And I'm gonna give you your favorite fade.
Oh, she's gonna give me a fade, guys.
I'm gonna give you a fade.
No, it's still not happening.
Why
Nope.
not? What do you have to lose?
My hair and my dignity.
Your dignity?
Alright.
We're like in quarantine right now. No one is gonna actually look at your hair and say, who did your fade? Oh my god, where did you get that from?
Are you a barber?
No, but I've watched plenty of videos.
She has, actually.
I've seen how to do
She's
a
watched
fade.
Barbershop 1, Barbershop 2.
Not those ones. And I also got you this.
Get out of here.
Yes.
You got this?
This
Oh.
will be perfect. This is gonna help me give you the perfect fade.
Can't say no now. Look at this. Wow, classic edition.
Is that a yes?
It's a, let's do it.
Yay!
Let's do it for the people.
Sweet. Alright. We're going to start this process, and you can't get mad if it doesn't look like the one you get from your barber.
Alright.
Promise.
However, if I don't like it, then I get to cut your hair.
No.
What do you think, guys? Put your comments in the section below. If you want me to cut Shukri's hair or something else, put your comments in the section below.
No.
That's only fair, right?
We'll see. I've got more hair to lose than you, even though
Are you sure?
that's a lot of hair.
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, let's go. This is gonna be interesting. Interesting. My first time.
Having fun?
Yes. This is so much fun.
Are you gonna do it again?
Let's see how this turns out. Camera. This is the back and the side and the front. Look straight. The front.
Dust this hair off and I'll be right back. See y'all soon.
What do you guys think? Let us know. It really took a while. I think
as you can see, it's nice and dark outside.
It takes 45 minutes for them to do your hair, doesn't it?
45 usually. Yep.
Usually 45 minutes.
Half an hour to an hour.
It took me 3 hours to get it done.
I appreciate your 3 hours.
Shout out to all the barbers out there that do the work, and hopefully you can go back getting your hair done somewhere else.
Alright, let's eat. I'm hungry. Time to go.
Alright, bye guys.